No matter the distance, no matter the location, no matter the age, a cardiac arrest can happen at any place or any time. Introducing the ViVest Pocket AED, a lifesaver in your pocket. Compact, portable, and professional. The Pocket is always ready and always reliable. With two models, one with a continuous VTVF feature and another with a child resuscitation feature. During life's critical moments, the ViVest is a pocket companion you can count on. Protect the ones you love. ViVest Pocket. Lifesaver in your pocket.